Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm so excited for you guys to get started on Monday. And so I wanted to walk through all of the products that came in your kit and kind of do a little unboxing. So I'm hiding in my office. I've got my Peloton bike. We're not riding today. But I wanted to kind of explain and upload some things and just make sure that you guys are ready to go when Monday comes along. I would also love to talk to y'all on the phone. So I've been reaching out to some of you asking if we can schedule a phone call before Monday because I just want to make sure you're really ready to go when we get started. So a couple of things. I'll be right with you. I'm doing a video, okay? Shut the door. In your kit, you got 2 bags of protein powder. Some of you opted for, this is the Simply One protein powder. This has less than 1 gram of sugar in it. It's keto friendly. That is not needed for this program, but some of y'all wanted that. And inside each of these bags, you should have had 2 bags. So there's the coffee, here's the vanilla. You might have picked different flavors, it doesn't matter, but there is a scooper inside of each of these bags. 2 scoops of the protein powder is equal to 20 grams of vegan protein. I love this protein, it is so good. It is a complete branched chain amino acid, it helps you build muscle. It has, look at these vitamins and minerals, y'all, like 24 vitamins and minerals. It's a complete meal replacement in and of itself, but you're also going to get some smoothie recipes that are phenomenal. So if weight loss is your goal, you are going to have 2 shakes a day. If that is not your goal, it's just more of a reset. You don't have to do 2 shakes a day. You would do 2 lean and green meals, and we'll go over that in a little bit. But in your shake, you have the 2 scoops of protein. I recommend also adding your fiber supplement. This is what your fiber supplement looks like. And I want you guys to start with 1/4 a scoop of fiber. In America, most Americans get 9 grams of fiber a day. It's really not good. Women are supposed to have 28, men are supposed to have 35. So I don't want you to start with a full scoop of fiber in your shake. Start with 1/4 of a scoop in one shake and work up to a full scoop in one shake per day. If you're struggling with some gas and things like that, I know that's TMI, but you guys need to let me know that so I can work with you on that. So this is your fiber supplement. It's completely soluble fiber, hot or cold liquid. You can mix it in, but that is going to go in your shake. You're also, I like to, either way, add your gut health in your shake as well. It's 1 packet per day. There's 30 packets in this box. And y'all, this is amazing. This is the prebiotic, probiotic, digestive enzymes. It's all in one. Prebiotic feeds the probiotic, makes it proliferate. It has 11 digestive enzymes. It's going to help break down your food. And all of this with the shakes is to boost your absorption. You're actually absorbing nutrition. What you eat is not just what you eat, it's what you absorb. And when your gut is unhealthy, you're not going to absorb appropriately. So 1 packet of this, you can also just mix a packet of this in like warmish, not hot, not cold, but water, and just shoot it in the morning. There's also another way to take that, and I'll explain that in a minute. So that's in your packet. You also got 2 boxes of fizzy sticks. These are like my lifeline. I love these things. This is your coffee soda replacement. It's an alkaline energy drink. My children drink them. They're limited to 5 a week. They have one every day before school. It's an alkaline caffeine, it's about 50 milligrams of caffeine. A cup of coffee is like 150. Helps with focus, helps metabolize carbohydrates and fats, helps with sugar cravings. It's got chromium, CoQ10. It helps with immunity. Hence, we don't drink soda. My kids drink Fizz Sticks. I drink Fizz Sticks. I have like 2 a day, sometimes 3. We don't recommend any more than 3, but if you had a hard time sleeping or something, this is the grapefruit strawberry. They also come in pomegranate, our new forever flavor pineapple, blood orange, and citrus. So those are your Fizz Sticks, and they can be used to drink throughout the day. Some people like to, in the morning, as their coffee replacement, mix a packet of the Clean Tox tea with a fizzy, we call it a tizzy. And that way you can just, and these will fizz. So if you put it in an 8-ounce water bottle, you need to drink some of the water out first and pour the fizz in, or it's gonna have like a volcano reaction and spill all over the place. Same goes with the tea. Speaking of the tea, I recommend that you do 2 teas a day. This is your liver and kidney cleanse, and it is awesome. milk thistle, dandelion root extract, glutathione. It's awesome for detoxifying. And so you can see how this system, I've told so many of you, this is a product supported program, not a product dependent program. So how everything kind of works together. I also like to have this in the evening after dinner. It's just really gentle, mild, no caffeine, tastes really yummy. It's awesome. Last two things. Most of you got the Clean Tox. This is our cleanse. It is lemon ginger flavor. You mix it in 32 ounces of water and you drink it throughout the day. It is really, really gentle. You're not going to be running to the bathroom. It is actually really yummy. It just tastes like lemonade to me. And you can do it daily. It has choline, magnesium, sodium, L-glutamine, aloe vera, and ginger. So it's awesome for your gut. We save this till week 3. Some of you may want to sprinkle it in throughout, but traditionally we save it till week 3. There's going to be some post about if you do want to sprinkle it in throughout. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. And last but not least, some of you guys got the greens, the Be Well greens in your kit as your free gift. The Be Well green, this is 36 whole food fruits and vegetables ground up in a powder. It's so awesome because how many of us don't get enough fruits and veggies? I love to do either put a scoop of this in my smoothie as well. You can see how I mix all these things, so it's not like you're taking things all day long. But I love to mix this in my smoothie, or I do what's called a green gut glow shot. So that would be a scoop of the greens, 1 packet of the Digestion Plus, and a fizzy stick, or our skin elixir, which is awesome. It's a hyaluronic acid supplement that helps your body grow collagen and has biotin, helps your hair grow, your nails grow, all those things. So you may choose to do the Green Gut Glow if you want, or you can, like I said, mix that stuff in your smoothie. So that's your kit. I just wanted to tell you guys about it. So I'm going to upload this video, and I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.